millions of reasons for you to become a citizen, but I'm going to go over some of them. And right now, it's more important than ever to become a US citizen, and I'll tell you why. I have written this article, 7 reasons you should fight for your citizenship. With the political climate reigning right now over the United States, many people will want to be a citizen. For one, because they will get the ability to vote, and two, the citizens are not easily deportable, well, pretty much not deportable unless they are denaturalized. So there are a few reasons why you should be a citizen. One, of course, is the ability to vote. It's very important to be able to vote, especially if you come from a country where you have never had a chance to vote. So this is your chance. And citizens cannot be deported. I mentioned that. But the other reason also is to get a US passport. The US passport will give you access to many countries, including getting paid sometimes more than the local residents of that place. So it is a good idea to have a citizenship on your side, US citizenship, and the ability to live abroad indefinitely. Many people will take the citizenship and go live into other countries or their home countries, and then that gives them the ability to come back, or even their children born from them will become US citizen. And the ability to get federal jobs, like as you know, for example, DHS, the Department of Homeland Security, you have to be a US citizen to work there. So this is something that might interest you. And you can of course run for office. Basically, you can run for Congress or run for many positions in the government and get elected if you're a US citizen. And of course, for your children and for yourself, there are many scholarships that are attached to your citizenship, and without the citizenship you cannot get those. And one of the last but not least advantage of the citizenship is to go ahead and get what we call the ability to obtain to bring your family to the United States, which is not available, by the way, to people on permanent residence. For example, permanent residents cannot bring their parents, cannot bring their siblings to the United States. So being a US citizen can make that difference. Bottom line, many people choose not to go for citizenship because of one of the main reasons we hear from them is the fees are high. I hope the government will change that, but they are not going to. The fees are above $600, almost $700, and it's kind of high for many people who are struggling. Now, also, many people also will not go for citizenship because they don't want to lose the citizenship of their home country, for example, India. But one of the things which is you need to know, if you are not a US citizen, that means you are deportable for any certain crimes. So be careful. Sometimes people make mistakes and they end up into custody, and unfortunately that makes them deportable, which is inadmissible also. So you need to be very careful on those, and for your children also it's a good idea. But right now, the citizenship drive that is being conducted by many politicians and also by many people out there is actually to help people to be able to vote and express their feelings, especially when we hear many politicians talking about deporting millions. So you need to vote, you need to become a citizen. So please take advantage of that ability to do that. And there was an article today on the Los Angeles Times, basically, where they were saying that many people are applying for citizenship, and because actually as you see here, many more people are filing to become citizens in the face of anti-immigration politics. And that's one of the best reasons, because for the sake of your children and other immigrants, it's very important to look at the future, and you have a chance to make a change, and your vote counts. So please see if you can register to vote and ultimately become a US citizen. And only in California, according to this article, there are 2.2 million people eligible for citizenship, but they are not filing it. So good luck to all. I wish you all the best, and anything I'm telling you today is my opinion. You should not act or refrain to act solely on the information provided. You should contact an attorney if you have any questions. If you need help on your citizenship application, feel free to reach out to us. The number is 510-742-5887. Please subscribe to the video for any updates. Thank you.